Hi there, this is Architect David. Welcome to Arkida, where you can learn anything and everything about construction. Now, who doesn't enjoy a cool, relaxing swim on a pool? Watch on these videos to see how it operates. A swimming pool, a swimming bath, wading pool, paddling pool, or just simply a pool is a structure designed to hold water to enable swimming or other leisure activities. It comes in different sizes, wherein the largest of which is the Olympic size swimming pool. It would be difficult to maintain your pool if you're unfamiliar with its anatomy. Therefore, this video will start explaining to you how these several parts of a pool works. You have 7 essential pool parts, which is the skimmer, the main drain, the suction line or suction lines, the pump, the filter, return lines or return jets. For the suction side, we first have the skimmer. These are located on the sides of the pool. Remember, there are 2 different types of wastes in swimming pool. We have what is called the floaters and what is called as the sinkers. The skimmer takes in the larger debris such as leaves, twigs, bugs. This thing floats, so they all go through the skimmer. So after that, the pool water enters the skimmer. It collects all this debris, and the filtered water begins its journey through the pool's filtration system. Next we have is what is called as the main drain. This is located on the flooring of the pool. This takes in the sinkers, which are dead skin maybe, or hair. There are also some body waste like urine, for example, which is mixed with the water, so it all goes into the main drain, then it goes through a filtration system. Then we have what is called the suction lines. Usually this is now made out of PVC pipes. So one suction line is connected to the skimmer side and another suction line is connected to the main drain side of it. And all of that will go to a certain pump. Next, what you have is what is called as the pump. This is now the heart of your suction line. The pool pump contains an impeller which spins fast enough to create a vacuum which pulls the water into the filtration system. From the pump, the water flows to a filtration system. While sanitizers like chlorine kill viruses and bacteria, that's only half the job of cleaning the water. Pool filters are available in 3 varieties. You have sand, diatomaceous earth, and cartridge. If you ask what is diatomaceous earth, it is an earth type of filtration system wherein several synthetic particles are also added to the earth to be able to filter the water. Then the last part would be called the return line or the return system. After water passes through the filtration system, it runs through the return lines to provide clean or filtered water back to the pool. Remember, always maintain your filter system. Meaning to say, there will come a time that you will have to stop the operations of your pool. You have to take out your filter assembly, clean out the filters inside it, put it back in, then run the water again. The return jets are located on the side of the pool wherein the clean or filtered water is now being pumped back to the swimming pool. The last type of equipment to be installed is called as the chemical filter. It is an equipment wherein after passing through the filtration system, the water goes through a chemical feeder. It contains several types of chemicals like chlorine, bromine, or a mineral cartridge wherein its intent is to sanitize the water, killing any type of virus or bacteria. So, looking at the text below, at the left side, water should flow through this in this order. You have the pump, filter, heater assembly if you would like to have a heated water pool. Then the last portion will always be the chemical feeder. Try to remember, do not drink the water from the swimming pool because you do not know if it is filtered or not. Even though it is already filtered, the chlorine content always affects your body. So if it is an accidental drinking, it's okay. But if the intention of the swimmer is to, I'll drink water because I'm so thirsty, I don't want to go out of the pool anymore, please avoid that part. Now, there are only two types of pools in terms of construction. Meaning to say you have one which is called as an in-ground pool anatomy. And you will have to dig through the earth, then you start laying down your concrete bed, then your concrete, then your tile, then fill it up with water. Then another type is the above ground pool anatomy, meaning to say these pools are already ready-made. You just have to procure them, put it into your backyard, fill it up with water, connect your pipes, connect your filters, then you now have an instant swimming pool. Click the subscribe button to discover all the other videos in this site. Click the notification bell to be notified about new videos that we post. If you have additional comments, please post them down below or at our Arkida Facebook page, and I will answer all your queries. Thank you.